StreamAlive is a fantastic web-based application that takes the comments from your live chat and actually converts them into real-time visualizations. Things like polls, word clouds, location maps, and a whole lot more. Now, your live audience, who are actually in the chat, can participate in these interactions and can see their comments, results of their live polls reflected in these cool live visualizations. And it all works with your favorite platforms like Zoom, YouTube, Microsoft Teams, Twitch, and many others. But just a few days ago, StreamAlive has now added integration with the Elgato Stream Deck. Marvelous, allowing you to call up any of these amazing visualizations at a touch of a button. So in this video, let me show you how to get this working. So let's get on with it. First thing we'll need to do is get the new StreamAlive plugin, and you can get that from the Elgato Marketplace, which is the URL here, marketplace.elgato.com. Click on Stream Deck and let's search for StreamAlive. You can see I've already got this installed here, but it's a free plugin. As you can see here, click on free and you can now open this in your Stream Deck. It's going to install automatically and it'll open the Elgato Stream Deck, which you can see here. So it says my plugin was already installed. Here is the StreamAlive tools, and we're going to be going into the next section to show you how to add these to your Stream Deck and get them all connected to your StreamAlive account. So we've got everything set up from the Stream Deck perspective, but now we have to log into our StreamAlive account. And if you'd like an account for yourself, there is a link in the description below. So let's just log into our account. So we're now logged in, and what that means is when I press one of the buttons that we've just configured on our Stream Deck, it's going to ask me to connect to a session that we've got running. And currently, I have a Zoom session up and running just for these demo purposes. So let's just click on one of the Stream Deck buttons. You can see the Neo I've got down here. Let's click on that. You can now see that it's going to say, well, in terms of destination, what interaction platform do I want to connect with? So I'm going to connect to Zoom, and I'm just going to type in test, and I'm going to paste in my Zoom link, which should be right here. So let's do present. We'll just skip this. And right now, I'm going to get prompted in a second for my Zoom session to connect to StreamAlive, which I'm just waiting for. Ding! I'll admit. So I pin myself now to the main screen, as you can see. And now with the interaction on StreamAlive, if somebody was to make a comment to say where they're from, in my case, I'm from Portugal, the interaction will pop up as normal. And we'll just show the fact that now there is somebody coming here from Portugal, as you can see. And now, because I've set everything up on my Stream Deck, I can easily switch to a different visual interaction just at the touch of a button. So let's just go onto our word clouds. I click on that, and as you can see, the screen switches. It keeps me logged in already. And now if I make another comment, let's do Elgato. Let's do Stream Deck. Any comments that have been made within the chat will be populated now really easily on the screen, as you can see. And I've just basically switched an interaction using Stream Deck. I no longer have to click on a different link or anything like that. I can go straight to here. Let's go to one more, which are the tiles. And I'll just do Ecamm, for example. Hello, this is cool. So any of the comments that are coming in to your chat will be visualized here using this handy dandy StreamAlive Stream Deck plugin. How cool is that? And we can just continue all day, but you get the idea that just by clicking one of the buttons here on the Stream Deck will automatically switch the visual interaction on StreamAlive. Marvelous! How wonderful is that? If you want to know more about StreamAlive and some of the Elgato Stream Deck plugins, there's a few videos on my channel here that you can take a look at, and I'll be back with more StreamAlive videos in the future. Thanks for watching.